Now our brother that called police for us, which one of our member was shot. They brought money. They brought 500,000, not 1 million. The money Akosayon brought is 500,000. I will still post it. I have the bills then. He called me while he was coming, but I was on my way going to Dibia, Mazi Dibia's place. For that is invent. So I sent one of my welfare. I sent one of the member to him. He took the welfare guy, now welcome me, and took him to the hospital. What he brought was 500,000, but he have called though. It's a mistake. Maybe they did not know that the money is not up to 1 million because it is 200 naira. Maybe he's not aware that the money is not up to 1 million because it is 200 rapper. But after 2 days, he called back that he made the cross check and noticed that the money is 500,000, not 1 million. Because when they brought the money, they say it is 1 million. But my members called me and said it is 500,000. I became even confused. Until after some days, when I had been running on how to carry my family and go village, planning this crusade, they now say that Akosayon called back, saying that what they brought is 500,000. That the young man should send an account so that he will transfer the remaining 500,000. It's because I was busy. That is why I have not even texted him on WhatsApp. Maybe after this program, I will text him on WhatsApp. Notify him that we receive 500K. Now, our brother brought money. He didn't brought prayer to heal our brother. He brought money to the hospital. He did not come with any miracle, water, or oil to heal our brother. You see? You just want to intimidate me, close my mouth, so that my people will keep on dying you and you keep enjoying with your family. He came with money, which is what I'm telling you. It's only money that can change your life, not prayer. He came with money. What am I saying? We have come to destroy the activities of religious idiotic in our society. People you can never engage with. I have abused the system. That is why I have never made any post about it. And I was also expecting for the money to be completed 1 million before I can make the post. But what they brought is 200 naira, 20,000, 200 into 5 rapper. Which is a 1 rapper of it is 100,000, into 5 is 500,000. When they were saying that the money is not up to 1 million, I told them to snap the money and send to me. They snap it picture and send to me. I saw that it is 200. Maybe because of the bunch of 200 confused them not to know whether it is up to 1 million or not. But he has called back, as I said. Nobody called him. He called by himself. I don't know whether it is my member that called him, but they told me that he called, saying that the money is not up to 1 million, that they should send account to transfer the 1 million naira, the remaining 500. And also promised to give 2 million naira to that boy to establish business with him. That is the power of money. Now money is speaking. Now this is what I'm teaching. This is what I'm crying for. Could you imagine after this guy now is being discharged from the hospital? Still they render 2 million naira to him. Automatically he will start something doing. Now if this is the only solution for man to do, why are we praying? Why are we castigating our communities? Why are we telling our people that our ancestors are evil? Why? 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 Religion will make you not to use your brain. Some of you going about arrest people in the name of your pastor. Some of you does not have a legit work in Nigeria. Some of you have put yourself in danger that but people like us have just tried to just fashion everything out. Because I know what religion can cause. Religion will put you in a problem that when you find yourself inside that problem, you may not come out of it for years. Now your family will start suffering it. Your children will start, what will I gain? Someone like me, you don't have a legit business you are doing. Someone like me that have fans all over the world. And you want to intimidate someone like me. Which if I plan for you, when you travel out of Nigeria, we'll catch you over there. Put you in prison. We'll set you up and send you to prison. Immediately. You can't stay 15 years over there in outside country. That's why I called my members in Mozambique, say, please, all of you should forget everything. Come here, come now, come before the presence of my lawyers, our police officers, and agree, let us move all these things out. And come out to start making it. I don't have such mind. I'm a free-minded. And why must I torture people that I'm fighting to free from? Why must I do that? It doesn't make sense. Why must I plan a deal that will send our own person to prison? Why I am here fighting for the same people? I was detained for the good of your children. Those who detain me, you detain me because I'm fighting for the good of your unborn children. After you leave this world, your future children to come, where are they going to stay? Are they still going to be rich? One of your children must squash the whole money tomorrow, and others will start suffering. But when we have a working government, Oga, when you are living this, once your child is 18, you have already established a good life for him and his children. Truth can never die, but it boils in mind to speak. You are a grown-up child in Africa, and you depend on prayer to survive. In Jesus' name, to get money. In Jesus' name, not to die in motor accident. Is it not time you should wake up? I'm fighting for my own interest, no problem. But I'm a big man. As of 2011, I own big trucks. I have 5 boys and 1 girl. I don't know what I'm lacking. I'm a landlord in Anambra State. I'm a landlord in my village. So which interest am I fighting? I have about how many cars? My wife has the own. I have cars and car. I don't know what I'm fighting. I'm fighting for my own interest. I have over 5 offices where sick people are being treated in Igbo Land. But I'm fighting for my own, no problem. The day you have breast cancer, you will understand that I'm really fighting for my own interest. I agree. I have spent millions of naira and my energies into Igbo love themselves. Just like this Omenala Igbo. I'm fighting for my own interest, no problem. To use your money and purchase private jet. I'm a real estate developer. I'm still fighting for my own interest. No problem. I have over 4,800 messages here that I have never opened. Many people even text me to purchase a land from me that I have never replied. I'm still fighting for my own interest. And the reason why I'm handling this, my WhatsApp, is that I don't want to. It's better I did not do business with you than to defraud you. I don't want to hand my privacy to somebody so that when somebody is being defrauded, they will come to us.